Hey everyone, Extreme speaking. Another day, another all-time high for Bitcoin. Where is it going? But first, let's see what's been happening with my current trades. 𝙏𝙖 hit my take profit. So it closed out and we made some decent profit on this coin. And it actually went further. So we banked a great 7.78% on this trade. Won't complain, profit is profit. And it's in the pocket. So 𝙏𝙖 is all done. Let's see how our other trades is going currently. SNX, is it moving or what? Let's see. Also in profit. It went up pretty high already. It came back a little bit since we got in here yesterday. Let me just add where we got into this trade. So it's been up and down, but so far in the profit. 𝙏𝙠 we've been in for a few days already, but I think it's currently down. We'll just make sure. Yes, 𝙏𝙠 is down at this stage, but I'm not worried. I'm in for the long run doing spot trading. Down 4%. Let's see. Any more buy opportunities yet? Not yet. So we'll just leave it and let it run. And then the one we got in late yesterday afternoon after the live stream was NEM. As you can see, we got in here, went up pretty nicely, dropped below, but we're about break even yet again. But we'll leave it and see where it's going from here. That's a benefit of spot trading. You can just let it be. If I remember correctly, I've put in my take profit right up there for new all-time highs. So we'll leave it, let it run, and we'll see how it goes. So let's get into today's coins. Let's see which ones has been the big movers for today. XRP Ripple running like mad. There's a lot of news regarding Ripple and it just keeps on moving. Look at that great spike. But let's see what's the latest news, if there's any regarding Ripple, which I'm pretty sure there will be. So 1 hour ago, the latest news is, let me just see as it loads, 131 million XRP moved by Coinbase and 𝙏𝙖, while XRP surged 23%. This was around an hour ago. So let's see. So that gave them another push of another 6%. But as Ripple started moving after being up and down, let's say from there, a great 19-20% in a day and a half. Not even a few hours. So let's see, why are they moving Ripple? Crypto tracking bot 𝙏𝙗 has reported that in the past 20 hours, several top-tier crypto exchanges and a few small ones have together transferred an outstanding 131.2 million XRP tokens. Meanwhile, the fourth largest, once again, cryptocurrency, XRP, has spiked more than 23% in the past 24 hours and now is sitting at 164. Currently it dropped back, it's on 161. Exchanges transferred 215 million worth of XRP. According to 𝙏𝙗, Coinbase, 𝙏𝙗, Bittrex, Binance and Kraken, along with smaller exchanges, have swifted 131.2 million XRP in fiat. That represents 215.6 million. Bittrex has internally moved 10,500,000 coins. The largest lump was shifted by Coinbase, 62 million XRP. So XRP is moving in the market. Will the surge keep on going, or will it retrace? Well, currently time will tell, and we'll see what happens. Look at that, the last 2 weeks, massive surges. Where is Ripple going? Back to all-time highs? Or is it just market pushing the coin up? 10% in the last 24 hours, not too bad. Let's see, Blockstack also moving yet again. Up 9%, not too bad. Any opportunities? Not for me yet, but let's see if there's any news supporting this move. Let's see. No, that's just a bunch of tweets. So no news, just a few tweets lately about Blockstack. So it's just market related moves. Just hit 10% and back down. The dark horse, the one coin that's always up there, in my opinion, silent but violent, sitting in the back of the room. No one knows it's there, but yes, it's still there. Litecoin. 7.5% move for Litecoin. That's pretty decent. Let's see what, does anyone say anything regarding Litecoin? Yes, 11 hours ago we had a prediction. Let's see. Prominent analyst reveals mega bullish target for XRP, Litecoin and Binance Coin. But we want to see what is saying about Litecoin. So Litecoin. Now that Litecoin has briefly bested the 260 level, he believes it will also fly in its USD pair. Clean break of 250 and a quick return to all-time highs seems likely. Don't miss a beat. Short and sweet in this. But let's see, where is a possible all-time high? So they reckon we could see all-time high, which is up at 367 on Binance, which is another surge of a possible 40% if it does reach all-time high. Well, today I won't count that out, especially with Litecoin. I do like the coin. It's in the back, you don't see it, you don't hear it, but it is there. Let's see, Bitcoin Cash. This is probably the most volatile coin out there. It can move rapidly a few $100 in a few seconds, or it can just move sideways. So let's see, any news for Bitcoin Cash? It's been quiet lately, not doing too much. Let's see, Bitcoin Cash, anything interesting? No news on it, just a few tweets. So market related, moving gently up. XLM, Stellar, up 5.8%. Let's see if they have any news going around. Yes, 53 minutes ago. If there's any news, Stellar, price eyeing upside break above 65 cents. It hasn't yet, but it's eyeing it. let me see. After forming a base above the 42-cent zone, Stellar Lumen price started a fresh increase against the US dollar. The XRM USD pair broke the key 48-cent and 50-cent resistance level to move into a positive zone. The pair rallied nicely above the 55-cent resistance. It tested the 65-cent zone and settled above the 55 simple moving average 4-hour. A high was formed near 65.5 cents before there was a downside correction. The price dipped below the 60-cent level, but the bulls were active near the 56.5 cent levels. A low is formed near the 56.57 and the price is now rising. It broke the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the downward move from the 65.5 cent swing high to 56.57 low. There is also a major bullish trend line forming with support near the 55 cent on the 4-hour chart, and immediate resistance in the near the 62 cent level. It is near the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement levels of the downward move from the 65.5 cent swing high to 56 low. So it's running on resistance currently, and the potential for a break looks imminent. Seeing what I'm predicting, talking about the 62 range, I'll wait for a clear close above this, and if it does close, I might take the opportunity for some short profits. Buy some and get out around 4% profit. Reading all of that, so there's an opportunity to make some money on this one. Bitcoin up 4%, but look at this last hour. The last hour alone, it went up 3%. Now, they calculated that you need 93 million to move Bitcoin 1%. So this is around 300 million worth of Bitcoin that was moved. Let's see if we can find anything in the news supporting this big move from Bitcoin. Did someone buy again? Did someone announce anything? Let's see. This is an interesting one. HSBC confirms banning customers from buying MicroStrategy shares due to the Bitcoin concerns. Wow. And this was published 25 minutes ago, and yet again Bitcoin still moved up. Let's see. Here we go. Bitcoin reaches new all-time high of $62,700, and possible reasons. Just now, the world's flagship cryptocurrency has soared to reach a new all-time high of 62,700. The previous all-time high was hit exactly a month ago on March 13, and it was in the 61,800 zone. Bitcoin often rises on the news of new players jumping on its bandwagon. Yesterday it was reported that Time magazine had partnered with the largest Bitcoin fund, Grayscale, to make a series of videos about the crypto space. Besides, Time will be paid in Bitcoin, and BTC will be added to the magazine's balance sheet. Further positive news for BTC was that the Galaxy Digital Fund, led by Mike Novogratz, filed for a Bitcoin EFT with the US Security and Exchange Commission. But most importantly, on April 14, Coinbase starts its direct listing on the Nasdaq. This is the major driver of Bitcoin's growth both yesterday and today. So the IPO of Coinbase going to NASDAQ is pushing up the price. Pretty interesting. Crypto exchanges getting onto the stock market. Even Binance is getting into the stock market, but that will be a video on its own. Funny enough, Bitcoin is moving, so is Doge. Are we seeing an Allen pump, or is it real news pushing Dogecoin up today? Let's see, Dogecoin. Any news lately? Just a few tweets. 19 hours ago is the latest news we had on Dogecoin. So let's see what it's saying. It's just a bit of analyst. So Dogecoin flipped its 6-cent level from resistance to support a few days ago and has seen strong buying volume since. The RSI into overbought territory and pulled back to 66, as Doge also saw pullback from 0.075 cents to test the 0.0716 retracement level. A deeper retracement to 0.066 cents is also possible. After this correction, Doge would likely begin another move towards the 8-cent, and some extension levels are plotted in grey. Dropping beneath the 50% retracement level at 0.062 cents will see Doge descend towards the 5 cents once more. So if it can keep these levels, we could see Doge going back up to around the 8-cent level. If that happens, from its current position, it gives us a good opportunity to make a few percent profit, which is going to run right about 8.5%. So Doge on a move while Bitcoin is moving as well. EOS. I just did a video with DTA, Digital Analysis, and they have a pretty prediction on EOS. So make sure to go and watch that video. It will be worth it. The possibility they're seeing in this coin is pretty big. Let me just see what's happening to my stream. Is it still going? Seems like it. This is an interesting one. There we go, back in. So go and have a look at EOS. The video will be loaded shortly, but yes, there's a massive opportunity on EOS currently looming around. But let's see what the analysts say on this side. Do they see a similar opportunity? EOS broke south of its ascending channel at the time of writing, and however just above a support mark of 6.45. If this level is maintained, the EOS bulls could look to re-attempt a break above 7.06 cents resistance. On the other hand, the OBV formed lower highs and highlighted strong selling pressure in the market. A southbound move was likely according to this. An additional support layer stood at 6.2 and 5.7 dollar levels. A bearish crossover in the MACD the possibility of a breakdown as well. If the same also moves below the equilibrium line, the price could remain subdued over the short midterm. Have a look at EOS. Make sure to go and watch the video about DTA. They gave us a pretty interesting analysis on EOS. DCR. Let's see any news on this coin. Is there anything happening? Let me see. DCR. Just a bunch of tweets. And we got also some analyzing up on it a few hours ago. So let's see, where is DCRED going? DCR. Since the start of 2021, DCR showed a bullish trajectory and even completed a recovery above late February levels during the month of March, while the later half of March saw DCR trade at lower levels. The price bounced back strongly from 143.8 support. Moving forward, the price could even snap the $200 mark, which it just did after this was published. MACD showed a bearish crossover, but the index was still above the half line, and bulls were not under any immediate threat. Even in the case of a breakdown, the price could find another support at 185.3. Let's just see, 185.3 is down here, so it's way above this current support. Look for a pullback. This might be a good buying opportunity if it does go to the 185 mark. Ethereum Classic. I told a few friends to buy it on $13. I hope they did, because it just moved like crazy. But let's see, are there any opportunities? Not yet. As you can see, we got in there and there, so pretty decent profit currently on it. So let's see, Ethereum Classic, any news regarding it? No news, just a few tweets, so it's just market related that's currently pushing this coin upwards. So let's run through the coins, see if there's anything with potential buy opportunities. And everyone that's watching, put coins in the chat if you guys want us to have a look at them and see what's the news and do they have any potential today. I'm gonna look for some buy opportunities, see if there's anything I'll be getting in today. Anything gonna do rapid moves? It seems like Ethereum also made a new all-time high like Bitcoin, moving nicely up. Ethereum all-time high just now, as well as Bitcoin. Let's see Dash. I'm looking for a decent opportunity to get into today. I haven't seen anything yet. Let's see as we go through. It went up, came down. It's on that line again. Yes, I will be getting into ADA right now, taking a position on it. Let's go to ADA. taking a position since it's right through that support, came back down. Let's see. What I'll be doing is taking a position on ADA. Position taken, and I'm gonna put a sell order in at a new all-time high and take profits right up there, about 13% profit. So sell order limit price will be 1.48955. There we go. As you can see, my ADA, I bought some, my sell order is in. So I'll let it run and let it be. So I got into ADA just now. It went up nicely, it came back down, and I reckon it will go further up yet again. Let's see what's Litecoin doing today. No opportunity for me. Let's see, Zcash. No opportunity. ENJ. Aave is coming down yet again. If it do come down to this line, I'll re-enter it. So I'll be waiting for it to drop to the 382 mark to get in yet again. So let's say crossing down, just let's say 383. So if it crosses the 383 mark, I'll get an alert and I'll come to see to get into AV again. Let's see Monero. Any opportunity? FTT. Terra I'm in. Zema I'm in. Zil. Let's see. New. BitTorrent, Terrafield. Let's see if there's anything else near USD. I'll go. Filecoin, a lot of use and opportunity for this one. GRT, let's see. Looking for opportunities. AVAX, Uniswap. Sol. Maker. So it seems like the opportunities are limited. Chiles. If it can just come down more, I'll be buying it right on this line. So let's add alert for Chiles as well. Crossing down. and we'll go on the 0.5001. So if it drops down, I'll get into it as well. Let's see, anything else? BNB down quite a lot today, but it's after its massive rally yesterday. Cake down as well, so it's following BNB since it's a utility coin, but as you can see, it's a pretty new coin. So that's it for today. We got into ADA. Let's just mark where we got in and see what happens. It bounced nicely already. A few pennies in profit, but let's see if it can move up all the way to the new all-time high. If it does, I'll be taking profit right up there. So that's it. We've seen a few coins moving. We've seen new all-time high for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we're seeing some decent moves on a lot of coins. Have a great one. Take care.